Wearable tech is getting interesting, and after 2 years of R&D and innovations into smart glasses, Rokid has created something quite unlike the others. And at first glance, there is definitely more than meets the eye here, and that statement will become very clear in a moment. Trust me, you will see. So let me show you what the design of the 2026 Rokid glasses is all about. The frame is constructed from a premium magnesium aluminium alloy, and to make it more comfortable, Rokid use an ultra lightweight thermoplastic material on the temples, which is known for being extremely durable and flexible, and I'm happy to tell you it also makes them very comfortable. And you know what else makes them comfortable? The weight. They are just 49 grams, which makes them not that much heavier than a regular pair of glasses. But one thing that visually separates these from regular glasses is that at the end of the right arm is where you'll find the magnetic pogo pins for charging. Underneath, if you're really looking, you'll notice dual stereo linear directional hi-fi speakers, and there are a couple of speaker grills along the top edge of the glasses, and the position underneath actually fire backwards and towards your eardrums. So if someone's standing in front of you, they're not going to be able to hear what the Rokid glasses are saying to you. There's a bit of subtle branding on both sides, which is quite nice. There is a built-in camera right here and an LED notification light on the other side. And there is a lot of tech happening behind the scenes here, including a hidden touchpad area on the right arm where this little raised ridge is. And this recognizes gesture inputs. We will come back to that very shortly. Also within the glasses is Qualcomm's AR1 chip. And this is backed up with 2 gig of RAM and 32 gig ROM for storing videos and photos and audio directly on the Rokid glasses. And the connection speed between the glasses and your iOS or Android device is incredibly fast. They do support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. And then there is Rokid's secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Built into the clear lenses are the world's smallest waveguide engines, and they deliver a heads-up display on both sides. These displays are not instantly visible to anyone looking at you, but when you're wearing the Rokid glasses, you will see information within your field of view. And the heads-up displays appear in the lower section of the lens, so they don't obstruct anything that's directly in front of you. And within the Hi Rokid app, you can go into the settings and then go to the glasses display settings. And here you can even adjust the height of the display so that you can fine-tune it perfectly for your eyes. Something else you might not notice straight away about the Rokid glasses is the fact that they do have 4 microphones built in, all of which can utilize AI noise reduction algorithms. Right, let's go back to the camera. This is a 12 megapixel AI camera, and there are various use cases for this. The first extremely useful use case for the camera built into these glasses is its ability to translate foreign text. So you can see how this could be extremely useful when abroad. If you see a sign and it looks important, you can simply look at it and use the built-in AI to translate it and show you exactly what it says in real time. And you can even translate foreign languages using the built-in voice translation mode.
就为了要证实你是江南拳王，有人表示不以为然。你怀疑我杀某人，在下。
Another scenario where the camera could be extremely useful is if you're going on holiday, you can use this camera to snap memorable moments or even create content on the go without having to even touch your phone. And it's super easy to do. To snap a photo, you just simply tap the photo button. And there is another input option when it comes to this button, which we're going to come back to. And there's an interesting feature here that I've never seen before on these types of glasses. When you snap a photo, you can preview the image in your heads-up display. It will of course be shown in green because the entire user interface is green. And in fact, the operating system is called Yoda OS, which is very cool. But anyway, this gives you a good idea and a preview of the image so you can see whether the composition is right or whether you need to take another shot. And then you can go back and recompose if you have to. But if you do have an image that you like straight away, you can share it straight from your device. And this brings me very nicely onto the second input gesture in regards to the camera button. If you push and hold the camera button, this starts a video recording. So this is the video and audio quality you can expect from the Rokid glasses. You're seeing 3K resolution now, 9:16. This is 2.5K resolution, 3:4. This is fantastic for a lot of social media platforms. And this is 2.5K 4:3 resolution. This is the closest We can get to widescreen. Let me know what you think of the video quality and also the audio pickup. Again, this is going to be amazing for capturing memories whilst on holiday, but also it could be fantastic for content creation. And one of the big advantages for these glasses is the fact that they can record continuously for 10 minutes. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Built into the app within the settings is a navigation option. And this works with Google Maps, which means you'll be able to hear and see where you need to go and you'll never have to look lost again. Now here is the Rokid Glasses ultimate superpower. The AI on board is powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT and also Gemini, and you can choose which one is used for which thing. So you can use a different model for your conversations and another one for vision-based AI tasks. So whilst wearing Rokid glasses, you have the world's encyclopedia right here on your face, and you don't even need to lift a finger. All you need to do is say, "Hey Rokid," and ask it anything you like. And for productivity, you might want to use the AI assistant to activate AI voice recordings. Hi Rokid, start voice recording.
Rokid Glasses, versatile companion for life and work. Cutting edge aesthetic, always stylish. Built-in first-person camera.
Another fantastic use case is if you do find yourself in a scenario where you have to do a presentation, there is a built-in teleprompter mode, which works with the AI to keep pace with you as you're doing your presentation. And it works really, really well. But in some scenarios, you might not want to broadcast that you're using AI, and maybe you want to pretend like you're smarter than you actually are. And you can set up some AI shortcuts here that will help you with that just by going to the settings and then scrolling down to the AI shortcuts. And it is here where you can customize the input controls on the hidden touchpad. So just for example, I'm going to set the 2-finger touch and hold on the trackpad to tell me what the camera sees in front of me. So now when I'm on holiday, if I see a sign, I want to know what it says, I can just go like this.
You are looking at a well-organized desk setup.
So if you are going to use the what's in front of me AI cue a lot, you can leave it on that. But if you prefer, you could actually switch it to a translation mode. So if you are going abroad, and if you want to, you can set it up to tell you what the weather's going to be like, or you can even just write your own prompt. Now this all sounds good, right? But you might be worried about the display not looking good to you because maybe you wear prescription glasses. Well, there is some good news because prescription lenses are supported by Rokid with their magnetic attachment. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link below this video so you can learn about how you can use prescription lenses with Rokid glasses. So hopefully now you can see why these are such a powerful pair of glasses, and you might be wondering about the battery power that they have. Well, inside the Rokid glasses is a combined 210 milliamp hour battery. That's enough to keep the glasses running all day. But of course, if you are constantly filming video content and taking photos and listening to music continuously, well then, yeah, that's gonna run the battery down a bit quicker. But there is some good news. There is a version of these glasses with a charging case that allows you to recharge the glasses 10 times inside the case. The one that I have here is just the classic carry case, which is really nice. It's a leather finish and it's got a soft interior. So if you feel like you're going to be using the smart features a lot, definitely get the charging case. Now here's a few things that I find quite interesting about the Rokid glasses. Somehow Rokid have managed to make these cheaper than the Ray-Ban Meta display glasses. Plus they have 2 displays on the inside instead of 1. They can film for up to 10 minutes compared to the 3 minutes on the Meta display glasses. And they support more photo and video formats. And in place of Meta's AI offering, you get a fully fledged set of AI glasses with an open AI ecosystem with the option to use Google's Gemini as well. And on top of that, if you do get the version with the charging case, it can recharge the glasses more times than the Ray-Ban Metas. Now listen here real quick, if you like what you saw in this video and you do want to check out the most up-to-date deals and prices, remember to use my discount code if you want to save some money at the checkout, and also remember to subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, a little thumbs up would be appreciated. And if you just subscribed, I will see you in the next one, so don't be late.